Hey everybody, Bobby here with EZLYNK. Today we're going over a new function that we have for our Skidoo Gen 5 guys. So what we've done is we've added our key programming, and with that we have our machine hooked up. So we've got our auto agent installed here. We've got the vehicle powered with our power injection cable. Right here you'll need those two items to perform this procedure because the machine can't be running while we do it. So once you get your machine connected, you'll use a 12-volt power source. And then let's open up the app and see what we got. So we've got wrong key. We've got a brand new key here. We're going to put our key on here, and you can see it comes up on the screen as a wrong key. So with the app connected now, we're going to go ahead and program this, and it's super simple. So all we do here is we pull up the machine, and we go into the function side of our machine, and we're going to go in here to add a normal key. And then you're going to hit the run function. It's going to give you the option for select for performance key, and that's what they all are. So just hit submit, and it'll say key added. And at this point, you'll have to remove the key from the post and install it back onto the machine. And there, after we do that, it says key added successfully. You'll hit exit, and as you can see up here on the screen, we no longer have the wrong key on the machine. So from here on, you're good to go. So with that, key programming for the Gen 5, that's our newest feature that we have available for this machine right now. We're looking at adding more functions and features, so check back with us and stay in touch, and we'll have more features and functions for these machines throughout the year. Thanks, everybody.